to cover how you can make sure that your channel is going to pass review. So I've kind of talked about this already, but I just want to bring it home for you guys. Keep in mind, this is a human reviewing your channel. You want to make sure that your channel is as ad friendly as you can possibly make it, and you want to make it as obvious to YouTube as possible that it's your channel and your content, that you're working on this channel. And so first of all, if you're going to be talking on camera, so if you're going to be doing like an hour-long vlog or something like that, which I recommend you either just sit there and talk, record some of it, and then you can put together more later, put it together till it's an hour. And then don't have your TV on or any music or radio in the background. I've had some students who got copyright strikes for having TV on in the background or music on in the background. So don't have any of that. Also, like, you know, don't do anything with like popular music or anything, like try to make some sort of remix of music or stuff like that. Music is really hard, so if it's going to be music based, I wouldn't recommend doing that for the review. Also, don't have any kids in it, so even having videos with you and your kids, YouTube is really strict about kids these days, so don't even have any kids of yours or anything in the video as well. Also, make sure that you put in a channel picture, a channel banner about whatever you're talking about, just to make it, you know, obvious to YouTube that that's what your channel theme is, and then you should have no problem at all passing the review as long as you do these things. Again, don't get overwhelmed with this. For a majority of you guys who are making normal channels, this isn't even something you're gonna have to worry about. It's just if you're gonna use the more risky methods of copying, reposting videos, things like that, that you'll be needing to do some of these tactics in order to get monetized the easiest. So hopefully that all made sense to you. If you have any questions, of course, you can write them in the Facebook group. Everyone had to go through this process, so everybody will be able to help you out with it. We also have the search bar of people who have tried multiple different methods and gave their experiences on which ones worked the best for them. So you have all of that you can use. And then if you have any additional questions, Dan Bender knows everything about getting monetized. That's basically all he works with all day long. So any questions you have, definitely ask Dan Bender. He'll be able to help you out with all of those things. So hopefully you're able to get through the monetization review process very quickly and efficiently so you can start putting ads on your videos. So in the next section, we're going to start talking about some strategies for ranking your channels, which is going to be some of the most important stuff in this course right here. Is going to be learning how to rank your videos, SEO strategies and tactics and metadata and all those things you need to know to rank your videos, to get them to go viral, and then, you know, how to put the videos together, how to edit the videos, how to find content to put in your videos. We got a lot of stuff left to cover, so let's go ahead and go to the next section.